So, and what is stem cell therapy? As I told you, blood has WBCs, RBCs and platelets. So we have to segregate just the platelets alone and concentrate it with concentrate the plasmas with lot of platelets and take it out and give it either with a mixture of stem cells or alone around the injection site, and along with it hyperbaric oxygen. So all of them have got anti-inflammatory properties, anti-fibrotic properties, anti-apoptotic properties. So this in combination helps heal the wound much faster, and they can start getting rehabilitated and go back to their work at a much earlier time. So the research, to tell you a little bit, Driver et al. In 2006, a randomized control trial, he used PRP gel, significantly improved healing rates of diabetic foot ulcers compared to the standard therapy. So, and other Driver et al., Driver VR et al., a prospective randomized control trial of autologous platelet-rich plasma for treatment of diabetic foot ulcers showed fantastic results. So, and now along with stem cell therapy, it gives fantastic results. I told you. What are stem cells? Stem cells are mesenchymal stem cells which are there in the bone marrow. They are the regenerating tissues, meaning the regenerating cells which are there from our birth. The sperm is one stem cell and ovum is another stem cell. When it fuses, it multiplies. That multiplication, it starts. The first stem cell in our body is a sperm or a ovum. So they are there in the bone marrow, fat, umbilical cord, etc., and they function by releasing of growth factors, cytokines to promote healing, reduces inflammation, stimulate formation of new blood vessels, neovascularization, differentiation into skin cells, blood cells, and blood vessels and connective tissue. So these were some of the studies which we have showed you. Moon et al., the efficacy and safety of adipose tissue derived stem cells in treatment of diabetic foot ulcers. He had done a study and shows promising results as well. So combining PRP and stem cells are working very well as a synergy, because it provides immediate boost of growth factors, the PRP, and stem cells work on a long-term basis to regenerate the tissues. So they synchronize and synergize very well. Together, they result in a faster wound closure, better vascularization, and stronger tissue. So I have a lot of studies, Ling et al. 2019, so to conclude, let me tell you, the PRP in stem cells along with hyperbaric oxygen therapy is offering a natural, personalized healing of wounds for diabetic chronic ulcers which are not healing with these methods, which doesn't mean that we have to first put on to normal standardized protocol and then go to the other things if it is not working. No, as a primary protocol itself, we can give hyperbaric. If it is given early, it works much faster. So faster wound healing, reduced infection risk, lower amputation or no amputation rates. The challenges are the cost. Could be a little costlier for people, but limb is really expensive, and how much ever you give, you cannot get the limb back. If you can afford, that is the best. So there are cheaper versions as well. So need for specialized equipment and trained personnel, that is not a big issue now. In cities, it has started coming in, not in villages as of now. So it should catch up. That's why we are making this video. Doctors and healthcare professionals, please start venturing into regenerative medicine. So diabetic foot ulcers are not just wounds, they are silent threats. PRP therapy brings healing factors straight out of the wound bed. Stem cells are nature's engineers. They repair, regenerate damaged tissues. So combining PRP and stem cells is like combining the best of speed and quality in wound healing. that if you're a person interested to know more about stem cells, PRP, hyperbaric oxygen, diabetic foot ulcers, or any other chronic conditions, please feel free to call us on the number given below or reach out to us at Dr. Sashi Eye Care, Salem. We Google into our website sashieyecare.in and you'll get more details about us. Thank you.